Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another haul video. In this haul video, we are gonna have art supplies for lippan art. So for those who don't know what lippan art is, I'm gonna write the description over here. Okay, so this art, usually what we think is very costly and it's gonna cost me a fortune to do all this stuff, to buy all the materials, all the ingredients. And so there are companies who have launched lippan art kits, and it's very easy for people to get those kits, but the kits are really costly. They are 400, 500, 600, ranges start from there. And I don't feel it's that costly, because today in this haul video I am going to give you supplies that will be almost enough for about 6 individual lippan art kits, individual lippan arts, and it's gonna cost you less than 500 rupees. Yes, the total amount that I have spent on all these 4 products is 485 rupees. So without any further ado, let's begin the video. Okay, so the first item that we're gonna start with is MDF board, because that is the base of lippan art kit. Most of the times you can also do your lippan art with cardboard, which I'll be doing a video soon, so that it's easier for the beginners. Don't waste money on MDF boards, and if you don't have the results that you desire, you're gonna lose interest. So let's start with cardboards. But I'm gonna show this. This is the MDF board. It's a pack of 6 MDF boards. Thickness is around 2.3 inches का thickness है. This is how it looks. Nice and smooth, very good. Thickness, I don't know if you can make it out. This is the thickness. It's a very decent thickness, not very thin, that it can easily bend, but not very thick also. So you'll have to be a little bit careful when you're in case you're making art out of this. Making art out of this and you're sending it to somebody, you'll have to be very careful, because this can easily break while in transport, right? So this is what I've got, and I'm happy with the price. I've paid 139 rupees only for these 6 boards. Can you imagine? It's that good. This is how I've got it. These are the 6 boards. Oh my god. Yes, there you go. 6 total boards for lippan art. And these are from DJCS. They are 12-inch round, and I will definitely link all the I'll put all the links in the description box, so if anybody of you want to try, can give it a shot. So this was the first item. We'll keep it aside. Second one is what? Yes, second one is this. Okay, so second is terracotta clay. See, if you are not very versed with using clays, handling clays, I would suggest you buy small modeling clay kits that you get out. I think it's from the brand Fevicryl or something like that. I'm not sure, but they sell it for like 20 rupees. You can, it's this only these 2 small packets. I think I'm gonna put an image over here for your reference. You can buy this and you can start using, because 20 रुपये वेस्ट हो जाए तो किसी को कुछ नहीं होता, बट अगर आधा किलो का क्ले वेस्ट हो गया तो बहुत लगती है भाई, मन को बहुत गंदा लगता है. तो ये मैंने मंगाया है. लम्जी निकल जा भाई, कब तो निकला था, अभी नहीं निकल रहा. ओके, हाउ इज इट? यस, दिस इज हाउ मनी. 1 किलो है, 950 grams. Okay, how did I even read it as 500? I just assumed, I guess, because मैंने कल देखा था it's 950, and I just assumed that it is 500 today. 500 grams. Okay, the MRP on this is 250 rupees. I got this for 128 rupees. This is terracotta clay, or which we call Shadu mati. Okay, so it's an air dry clay. So try taking air dry clay for this, because you don't have to put it put it inside an oven to get it dried out. So yeah, air dry clays are really nice, but you'll have to be very careful with handling them, because अगर आपने इसको छोड़ दिया तो खत्म, टाटा बाय बाय गुड बाय, गया, खत्म, पूरा हार्ड हो जाएगा और फिर वाट लग जाएगी आपकी. So you'll have to be very careful with this. But I love clay. Okay, so This was the second item. I got it for 128 rupees and this is 950 grams. ये हो गया second. And they also sent me a thank you card. So sweet. I love these Meesho sellers, you know. My mom is also a Meesho seller and I love it's a connection from inside, you know, थोड़ा सा. So मेरी मम्मा का भी नीचे दे दूंगी मैं link if you are interested. She sells sarees and all this stuff. Okay, now back to our topic. Third option, a third thing that I bought. This is, I have bought these Varnish, however you call it, and Gesso. So Gesso, there is a video on my channel in which I've made Gesso. I think I have made Gesso, and please give it a shot if you want to make homemade Gesso. This is from the brand True Buy. This Gesso is 110 ml and the gloss is also 110 ml. Varnish gloss is 110 ml. So essentially, for those who don't know Gesso, this acts as a base on anything you do. Like if I'm using a MDF board, I am gonna paint this board with Gesso and उसके ऊपर मैं अपना काम करूँगी जो भी है, and then I'm gonna just use this. या फिर आप किसी भी surface पे पेंट कर रहे हो तो use a Gesso first. आपका पेंट बहुत वाइब्रेंट दिखेगा and आपकी surface अच्छी हो जाएगी. Proper, you know, paint is gonna look vibrant and the surface is gonna get more sturdy, you can say. So this is the use of Gesso, and this is the Gesso and Varnish 110 ml each. I got this from the brand TB, that is True Buy. I've got this for 144 rupees. Okay, the price of this Gesso itself is 250 rupees and the Varnish is 499 rupees, guys. Meesho, go on Meesho, buy these things on Meesho, they are really good. वहाँ पे sellers are really, you know, का margin ज़्यादा नहीं होता है, and you have a lot of benefits with Meesho, so try this. And the last item for today is, see, these are the mirrors or other stuff. I've got, how many? I've got it like this, along with this small chotu sa cone, which consists of what do you call? What is it called? Okay, so I'm gonna say in very simple language. It's gonna be used for like a 3D marker. You can say 3D marker. For those who know 3D marker, know what I'm saying. If you don't know, please search online. I don't know if it's exactly like that, but it's going to act like a 3D marker. So yeah, I haven't cut it yet, but I'm gonna use it soon enough. We have got 12 shapes. तोड़ मत दे बहन. Careful. Act a little careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. यहाँ पे 6 थे तो इसमें तो ज़्यादा लग रहा है मेरे को. Because it's thick packaging. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 packs of these. They only said 12 packs of mirrors for jewelry and lippan art and other craft. There were 1800 pieces of total. There are various size. You can see there are different size mirrors. Okay, this is much more better. Oh, it is so pretty. They are really pretty. Okay, the camera is here. Yeah. Okay, so I've got. Oh, bhai, गिर गए थोड़े. It's much easier. It's so nice. I've got so many. I've got so many of them. कोई तो फटा यार इसमें. Oh no! No 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 no. Which one? कौन सा फटा है भाई? प्लीज मत गिर. बहुत मेहनत लगेगी यार साफ करने में. ओके, ये बाद में करेंगे. रायता तो फैल गया ऑलरेडी. चलेगा, ठीक है. ओके, सो दिस वाज द वीडियो जिसमें आई हैव शोन ऑल द आइटम्स जो हम लिपिन आर्ट के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. मैं कैमरा उधर क्यों देखती हूँ, इधर देखना चाहिए मुझे. ओके, दिस वाज द वीडियो फॉर इट टुडे एंड कम ऑन, आई हैव टू शो यू समथिंग एल्स. ओके, सो since the people who know me know I love dogs. जो का और एक item है which I've ordered for the dogs. So I have bought these dogs reflective dog collars which costed me 265 rupees. A pack of 5 reflective collars from the brand Rovadik. I don't know like if it is costly or cheap. Since I made the payment online, I got it for 226 rupees. But still, I have heard that these dog collars are much more cheaper outside. I'm not sure about it. If you know, please give me the links in the description. If you have any other contacts who can sell me these dog collar, reflective collars for free. Not, what did I just say? Free, nahi bahan. For much more affordable price. So I'm gonna show you just in a minute. I forgot to get those collars. Just in a minute, I'll be back. Ta-da! Yes. So these are the reflective collars that I got, and I like them. I haven't put them on any of my dogs yet, but I will soon enough. My babies are gonna love this. So yeah, I've got a pack of 5. This was for 226 rupees with discount because I paid online. So I'm gonna give a link of this also in the description, just in case you want to help the stray dogs out there and be there for a noble cause, because they are just babies who need love, nothing else. Just go to them, just wave your hand over them, just try to love them. They will love you back, like in so many ways you don't even know. So they are the most pure-hearted animals, the most pure-hearted beings that exist on earth. Any animals you can say, pet, dog, cat, anything, cow, cattle, everything. They're just so pure from heart, not like humans, not wicked or having any other motives behind. Okay, so if you want to join in the cause, please buy these kind of collars and just put them around the stray dogs, because there are a lot of dogs who die because of road accident. Okay, they die also. There are dogs who become permanently disabled because of road accidents, because they cannot be seen from a distance. The car is approaching, they are not seen. It's not the fault of the car driver also, because it's a highway. They tend to drive at a high speed, but it's not a dog fault of the babies also, right? So I think we should all come together and try doing something for the dogs out there, for the cats out there, for the stray animals, for the people who live on streets. Please join into this noble cause. I am not doing some sort of a revolution, it's just my individual thinking. It's just a thing that I like doing, so I am just saying you can also do. If not, it's okay, nobody's forcing you. So yeah, that's it for today's video. The craft haul is done. In the next video probably we'll be doing another not another craft haul for sure. बहुत पैसे डाले मैंने इधर उधर. अभी we are going to use these items nicely, steadily. And what am I saying? What is wrong with me today? Sorry. Okay, so we're going to use these items and make another art, maybe probably a terracotta, probably something with sort of like cardboard like this. This is a cardboard from one of my another craft that I have recently made. I'm gonna put that video also. Maybe I've already put it up, I don't know. It's an Diwali lantern. So this is the cardboard left out of that Diwali lantern. We'll do something with this next time with these all beautiful mirrors and everything. So yeah. So that's it for the video today, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy, and try to make your other people around you happy. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.